What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, and I have the new G3 in the building, the red version. And y'all guys know I did videos about the blue version. There's some differences between both of these devices, and I'm going to talk about it here on this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I had to come outside to film this so I could get this nice bright sunlight on this gorgeous device. The new G3 is in the building. Shout out to them for sending this device to me for review. Wow, I mean, an absolute gorgeous phone. Look at that. And we already know the specs on the device. We got a 5.7 inch 720p display. We have the MT processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. And we got dual SIM setup here, right? We got all the bells and whistles. We got a dual camera setup in the back, and we have a single camera setup in the front. We got the 18:9 aspect ratio going on here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And the color representation is on all corners of this device. I mean, it feels really good in the hand, and it is nice. Now, when I bring up the blue version here, I mean, when you're looking at that, I mean, paying attention to details is one of the things that I love. And new G3 and the new company have definitely knocked it out the park when it comes down to the design of the devices. But we got some sentimental differences here between both of these devices. As you could tell with the blue version, right? The blue version, you got the new sign at the bottom and you got the new sign right there at the top. You have the fingerprint scanner that's different. The fingerprint scanner here is black, and the fingerprint scanner on this device is red, right? Which is absolutely nice. In the front of the device, as you can tell with the blue version, you got the blue accents representation at the top and bottom. They went with the black at the top and bottom on this device. But we still have the same specs, all the bells and whistles, but we do have some fundamental differences between both of these devices. Let's talk about it. One of the hugest differences between both of these devices is that this phone is running Android 7.0 and this phone is running Android 8. So let's go ahead and go to about a device here. Let's go here and let me go to about phone. And let's go and look at the versions of Android here. So we're running Android 7.1.1 and we're running Android 8 right here. So one of the hugest issues is I try to do a software update, and unfortunately it's telling me I'm up to date. But we got the same model number, the N5702L, but we run in two different operating systems, which is Android 8 and Android 7. Now, one of the things that I'm kind of upset about here is that you can't remove the Google search. See how you can hold and press? So we're starting to see that on Google Pixel devices, that you can't remove the Google search bar. So as you can tell on my home screen here, I can't remove the Google search bar. So in order for me to get my home screen the way I want to, I would have to install a launcher on here. But you got stock Android on both, as you can see. Now I got the brightness level all the way up on the new G3, the red version. And let me put the brightness level all the way up here. Let's see, we have a difference in brightness. All right, the viewing angles is pretty decent. Even though it's 720p, as you can see, not bad. The color representation is pretty good here on both devices. Viewing angles are not that bad, but the color, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful, just beautiful. So that's what I'm talking about. I want to give a huge thanks to NUU for sending me out the red version of the NUU G3. And I absolutely like this phone. Actually, this is going to be one of my top budget devices of 2018. Under 200 bucks that you can find this phone. Now the newer version, I believe you could get it for about $199. I've seen deals on the NUU G3 for like $178 around Black Friday. And I know we passed Black Friday, but I think they still got some deals with this device. So you can check it out. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Now, NUU have done something special with this phone. I mean, it actually runs pretty good, even with the MT processor. And I've made videos about this device, and I've actually played high-end games with the NUU G3, and it actually played it like a champ. So that's a good thing. I got more videos to come with both of these devices, but I just wanted to showcase the new color here of the NUU G3. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the NUU G3 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.